viewers, we are very, very deeply concerned. I mean, this thing is spreading very fast around the country. People have already died. It is definitely very concerning.
And when it comes to what is at play, what are you suspecting?
Well, we brought together all the stakeholders which have been in the field, who in one or the other have got some mandate in terms of the law to this whole issue. We brought them together and they gave us their reports about exactly what is that which they know, which they found out. And we reached the conclusion that we could be dealing with a chemical agent here and that we must work fast around the clock to identify it and take whatever action. And that's what we are doing at the present moment. We have got 80 environmental health practitioners, people we used to call health inspectors, from both Department of Health and the City of Gauteng, who are now on the field in Naledi, in Soweto, to try and trace this, which we think is the cause of all these problems.
You say in your statement, and I'm quoting, these increasing incidents in black communities have led to an unfortunate and unsubstantiated perception that authorities are turning a blind eye to this crisis and seem not to care about what is happening to citizens. Why do you say that?
Well, because I have many people saying so over the media. Not realize, that's why I outlined each of the 5 departments or institutions there, what is that they've been doing. I think it's because we never called the press conference, or they never called the press conference to say, this is what we are doing and this is what we know up to so far. For instance, right from the time the report about the kids in Naledi was heard, a team of detectives have been sent to Naledi. They've been waiting there almost every day. The environmental section of the National Department of Health sent people there to see if there had been a breach with some of the food regulations. The National Consumer Commission also did the same thing, as is the Department of Agriculture, as well as the Johannesburg City Council. Now, all those activities were not necessarily reported about, except maybe the National Consumer Commission. I heard their spokesperson being interviewed in one of the media houses. The others, because they were not, people felt that no, we are on our own, the authorities are doing nothing. That's why we made that statement.
You do concede, though, that in the absence of information, people are going to, really see this as government that simply is not getting involved, especially when you say that you've not called a press conference, and that possibly could have mitigated this particular perception?
Yeah, no. We were doubtful whether we should call the press conference to tell people that we still